Well, let's look at some LED inserts. So we already have a video on the LED panels, which are kind of automatic verticals with LEDs in it, right? If for whatever reason we wanted to add LEDs to the top of an opening, we can definitely do that. We could do it in this closet section or right in here with this section, upper section. So if we look at the 3D, we can see there's already an LED channel in here. I can edit, go into the interior, and there's our insert right there. We're going to clear it, and I'll show you. We can click on the interior, click on inserts, and then we will go to the PAC closet inserts, and then we'll take the LED top of opening, drag it in there, and now we have an LED in there. So if you want to edit these, you can click on edit, then go into parameters, and you have a few options in here. There's left, right, and length. Probably not going to play around with this one too much because typically you're going to go the full width with these LEDs. And you'll notice one thing, we don't have setback, width, or depth to these LEDs. And that's for a very specific reason. We want this to all be controlled from our job parms. So if we go over here to job parms, you'll see that the LED depth, length, and all of the other setbacks are all built in here already. So if we're using our panels and our inserts, they're always in sync because we're using the same exact, turn it into wireframe. So we have an LED here, an LED here, an LED here, LEDs everywhere, and they all line up. Okay, so that's very important. And then also, if you're wondering how we would actually put two inserts in here, it's kind of like the adjustable angled shoe shelves. You can clear this out, and we're just using separators. So we'll do a horizontal split, turn this into a separator, and then we can put an insert up top and down below, to the left, to the right. We could put shoes in here. You know, we could add another insert here, another separator, put the LED there, LED bottom. I'll just do it. So inserts, then we will do LED bottom of opening, LED top of opening, and then we could put something else in here, like we could go down to our regular classic graphics and slide in some shoes if we wanted to. Dress shirts we don't want to. All right. Actually, let's put a handbag up here. Perfect. And then we can click on this bottom opening, go to the height, 0, click enter, and now we have an LED in the bottom, the top of, and we also have another insert in here. There's one more feature for the parameters. You'll notice in the job parms that there is this LED deep limit, an LED deep setback. This is for anyone that sometimes when a section gets a little deeper, you actually want a different setback than the rest of the room. So this is almost like a secondary setback. You can set your limit. So if I set LED deep limit to 22 inches, then if any section is 22 inches deep or more, it will use this auxiliary setback. I have them set to the same, just so it needs to be a conscious decision to make the change per job. But that's exactly how that works. I will, in the future, will make an adjustable shelf with a LED insert in it, but for right now, that's beyond this video.